How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Kia Seltos. We're going to be taking off the rear door panel and the front door panel. Pretty simple door panel to take off. All you should need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a pick, and also a trim tool. We're going to have two covers that we need to remove first. You're going to have one in the grab handle. There's a little cutout. You just kind of reach your pick in there, pop it open, and you'll see a little screw. So that's one of the covers, and you're going to have one over here as well. Just take your little trim tool, kind of squeeze it in there, pop it free. Next, we'll go ahead and get our Phillips head screw out. Only one screw holds this door panel in place. So once you get the screw out, we can actually pop the door panel. There is a little cutout on the bottom side of the door, but honestly, sometimes when I use that cutout, it doesn't usually work, like right now. So you kind of just have to feel around. It might take you a second. Sometimes I get lucky in the corner over here and it'll pop free. Kind of like so. Just kind of work your way around the door panel. And then just kind of wiggle up. And there you go. So that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. When it comes to harnesses, you're just going to have one little push tab for the window switch on the rear door panel. Alright, now we're on the driver's side, pretty much same process. You're going to have two more wiring harnesses on the front door, which I'll show you guys once we get to that point. Just go ahead and pop your covers off. One up top, you're going to have one once again in the grab handle. Take your screw out. There's a cutout on the bottom side of this door as well. But once again, usually I just kind of use it to put my trim tool in there, and then I just kind of figure out where the soft spot is. Which this one actually worked. So pop all the pins going around, wiggle up, and I'll go ahead and show you guys those wiring harnesses. So they're all push pins. You're going to have, one right here. Once again, just kind of push the tab in and pull it out. So you're going to have one of those and then two more down here for the window switches, and then same thing, your cable for the door handle. But that's it. That's how you take off the rear door panel and the front door panel on a Kia Seltos. Thanks for watching.